Hello guys, in this video we will see what his error code found is and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step about understanding error code. Content error code found in Grand Theft Auto primarily indicates a problem with connecting to the Rockstar Games services. This issue often manifests as a connection lost message and typically points towards a network-related problem rather than a corrupted game installation or a local client side, but it signifies that your game client is unable to establish or maintain a stable connection with the necessary Rockstar servers required for online gameplay, including features like the online or social club integration. Step verify your internet connection stability. Content. The first crucial step is to ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning correctly. Begin by checking if other applications or websites can access the internet without issues on your gaming device. Perform a speed test to confirm adequate bandwidth and low latency. If problems are identified, restart your router and modem by unplugging them for at least seconds before plugging them back in. A weak, intermittent, or completely lost internet connection is a common cause for error code, though. Step but check Rockstar Games server status. Content error code that can sometimes be caused by issues on Rockstar's end, such as server maintenance, unexpected outages, or high traffic. Before proceeding with more complex troubleshooting, visit the official Rockstar Games support website or their dedicated server status page. Additionally, check social media platforms for announcements from Rockstar support or reports from other players experiencing similar issues. If servers are down or undergoing maintenance, the only solution is to wait for Rockstar to resolve the problem.
Step restart and gaming platform. Content. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches or conflicts, preventing a proper connection. Fully close Grand Theft Auto and any associated launchers. Rockstar Games Launcher, Steam, Epic Games Launcher. Once the game and launchers are completely shut down, restart your entire gaming platform, whether it's your core console. This process clears temporary cache files, refreshes network connections, and can resolve minor software conflicts that might be interfering with the game's ability to connect to online services. Step to configure firewall, antivirus, and network settings. Content. Your computer's firewall or antivirus software might be inadvertently blocking this connection to the internet. Access your firewall settings and ensure that its launcher and relevant Rockstar Games services are added as exceptions or load applications. Temporarily disabling your firewall and antivirus for testing purposes only can help diagnose if they are the cause for console users or advanced users. Checking your router's NAT preferred tap or open and considering port forwarding for the specific ports can also resolve connectivity issues. Consult your router's manual or IS for guidance on these network configurations.